CapCut just dropped an amazing new AI tool for content creators. Now you can create professional level content in minutes, with almost zero effort. And the best part? It's completely free to use. With this tool, you can easily create content just like the Wisdom of Words channel. Whether it's motivational stories, health and fitness tips, mind-blowing facts, or even any other niche you love. I actually created 3 videos using CapCut's new AI video generator. And I'll show you a quick preview from each one, so you can see exactly what kind of content this tool can help you create.
Once upon a time, high in the mountains there lived a wise old monk. His wisdom was known far and wide. People came from distant lands to seek his guidance. They believed he could answer any question and see through any deception. Down in a nearby village lived 2 mischievous boys. They loved playing tricks and laughing at others' confusion. One day, start your day fresh with this simple detox drink. Want to flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, aid digestion, and support clear skin? This morning detox drink is your answer. Here's what you need: a glass of warm water, half a lemon, a teaspoon of honey, and a couple of
Deep in the heart of South America lies a realm of mystery and wonder, a place where secrets still linger in the shadows of towering trees. What hidden marvels await discovery in the depths of the Amazon rainforest? As the mist rises from the forest floor, we embark on a journey into the world's largest tropical rainforest. Covering an area larger than most countries, the Amazon is often called the lungs of the earth. But it's more than just a vast expanse of green. It's the most biodiverse place on our planet. So venture with us into this emerald labyrinth where creatures straight out of a fantasy novel roam free.
Alright, to use this AI tool from CapCut, first you need to visit CapCut's official website and download the app from there. Once you've installed it, open up CapCut. You'll see a button that says AI Video Maker. Just click on that, then hit New Project. Now here's where it gets exciting. We're going to explore 3 different ways to generate videos using AI. Script to video. If you already have a script, I'll show you exactly how to turn it into a full video. Idea to video. Just give AI your video topic, and it will write the script for you automatically. And last, my favorite, we'll see how to create powerful videos like those on the Wisdom of Words YouTube channel. Alright, let's kick things off with the script to video method. Step 1. Head over to ChatGPT and send a special prompt. Don't worry, I've added it in the video description for you. Once you send it, ChatGPT will reply with a simple yes, meaning it's ready to go. Now comes the fun part. Just share your video topic. For example, I'm using Top 10 Interesting Facts About the Amazon Rainforest. ChatGPT will then generate a script in a list format, with short scenes for each scene. Why this format? Because it helps the AI automatically switch scenes every 5 seconds, which means your video stays dynamic, fast-paced, and super engaging for the viewer. They'll constantly see something new, and that's exactly what keeps them hooked. Now, there's one little problem you might run into, and I did too. The script comes with numbers, which we don't really need. You can remove them manually, but let's make it even easier. Just tell ChatGPT, remove numbers, and it'll clean up the script for you in seconds. It's a quick fix, but it makes the script much cleaner and easier to work with when we move into CapCut. Next, just copy your script and head back into CapCut. Now paste it right into the script box. And look at this, it automatically splits everything into short scenes, just like we wanted. Now it's time to add a voiceover. So we'll go into the Scenes tab. If you want to use AI avatars in your video, you can select one here, but I'm skipping that for now. Instead, I'm heading straight to the voiceover section, where I can choose a voice I like. Let me play a few examples so you can get a feel for the quality.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceover.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating.
Welcome to
creating voiceovers.
Once you've picked your voice, just click Apply to all scenes, and CapCut will automatically start adding the voiceover to each scene. It usually takes about 3 minutes, but if your script is a bit longer, it might take a little extra time. Alright, once the voiceover's done, I'll play a quick sample so you can hear how it turned out.
Deep in South America lies the Amazon rainforest, the largest tropical forest in the world, teeming with endless green and wild mysteries. It covers over 5.
Now let's move on to the media generation part. head over to the Media section and click on Generate AI Media. You'll get a bunch of style options here, from animated to cinematic. For this video, I'm choosing the realistic style because it fits perfectly with our topic. Once that's selected, hit Apply to all scenes, and CapCut will start generating visuals for your video. This might take around 3 to 5 minutes depending on how long your script is, so just hang tight.
0.5 million square kilometers, so vast that it produces 20% of the world's oxygen, earning the title lungs of the earth. The Amazon River, snaking through the forest, is the second longest river.
Alright, now it's time for the final step. Just click on Export, and you're good to go. You can export your video in up to full 4K resolution. In the export settings, give your video a name, choose your preferred resolution, anywhere from 360p all the way up to crisp 4K. And for frame rate, you can even select up to 60 FPS for that super smooth look. And that's it, your professional quality video is ready. If you want to make your video even more engaging, you can easily add captions. Just head over to the Elements tab. There, you'll find tons of cool caption presets ready to use. And if you want to add some background music to bring extra life to your video, go to the Music section. You'll find a full library of music options you can drop right into your project. Alright, so far, we've learned how to use the script to video method to generate content. Now let's explore the idea to video option. First, click on New Project, then select Script. In the topic field, enter the title or subject of your video. For example, I'm entering Who Lived Before Humans. Next, you'll see an option to add key points. I'll use ChatGPT for this. Just go to ChatGPT and enter the prompt. Write me key points for this video script, and paste your topic next to it. ChatGPT will generate key points related to the topic. Copy those points and paste them back into CapCut in the Key Points section. Now choose your video duration. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 10 minutes. The longer the duration, the more detailed the script will be. For this tutorial, I'm selecting 3 minutes. Next, we have the Mimic Writing Style option. Here, you can upload a video so the AI can replicate its script style. You can also describe the style using a prompt. If this step feels tricky, just go to ChatGPT and type, "Write me script writing style." ChatGPT will generate a style suitable for your topic. You can also add your video topic in the prompt to get a better result, just like we did with the key points. Once you get the writing style, copy it and paste it into CapCut. Then click Generate, and CapCut's AI will start writing your video script based on the topic. Once the script is ready, head over to the Scenes section to generate your voiceover and media. If you go to the Media section, you'll see 2 options. You can generate media for all scenes with 1 click, or you can generate it for each scene individually. Just click on the small video icon, then click Generate AI Media, and the media generation will begin. If you're not happy with something, you can regenerate the scenes with just 1 click. Plus, if you want to split any scene for better timing or flow, that's super easy to do too. Quick pro tip: whenever you generate a script with CapCut's AI, make sure to manually break it into smaller chunks, ideally every 3 to 5 seconds, just like I'm doing here. The fastest way to do this? Split the script wherever you see a comma. This way, when the media is generated, new visuals will pop up every few seconds, which keeps your video exciting and super engaging for viewers. If you skip this step and don't break the script, viewers might end up staring at the same image for 20 to 30 seconds. And let's be honest, that can make your video feel slow and boring, so take a few extra seconds to break the script. It makes a big difference in the final result. Now once your script is broken into small chunks, you're just 1 click away from generating the full media. Head over to the AI Media section, pick the style that fits your video, and hit Apply to all scenes. That's it. CapCut will start creating the visuals for you instantly. Alright, if you want to add a voiceover, just exit the Media section and head over to the Voiceover tab. Pick your favorite voice from the list and click Apply to all scenes. And your entire video will have a voiceover automatically. Alright, now let's talk about how you can make videos just like the Wisdom of Words channel. First, click New Project in CapCut, and then head over to their YouTube channel and play any video you like. We're doing this to grab the video's transcript, so here's how to get it. Click on the video description, scroll down a bit, and you'll see a Show Transcript button. Click it, and you'll see the full script of that video. Now just highlight and copy that transcript, exactly like I'm doing here, and go back to ChatGPT. Make sure you're in the same tab where we entered our previous prompt. Paste the transcript in and hit send. ChatGPT will now rewrite the same story for you, but with improvements and a cleaner flow. And the best part is, it will give it back to you in that same list-style format we used earlier. This makes it super easy to turn into a high-quality video using CapCut's AI tools. Alright, now copy the final script and hop back into CapCut. Paste it into the script section, and here's the cool part. CapCut will automatically break the script into smaller parts for you. So unlike the second method, you don't need to split it manually. It saves you time and effort. Once that's done, head over to the Scenes tab. The first thing you'll do here is select a voice for your video. Just choose the one you like and hit apply to all. Now give it a moment. CapCut will apply the voiceover across all your scenes. Now you'll notice this video is about 5 minutes long, and since the voiceover is done, we can also preview and listen to it by playing the video.
In a small town lived a young man filled with dreams of success and making his family proud.
Alright, the voiceover's all set. Now it's time to bring your scenes to life with visuals. Just jump into the media section and click Generate AI Media. Pick your preferred style. I've already gone with realistic since it fits best with this type of content. Then hit apply to all scenes, and the media will start generating for each scene automatically. It took me about 5 minutes, and here's what it looks like now. Pretty cool, right? Next, if you want to spice up your video with captions, head over to the Elements tab. You'll find tons of awesome caption styles to choose from. I personally love using them for short-form content like Reels, but for longer videos, I usually skip them. Just depends on your style. Now if you'd like to add some background music, hop into the Music tab and select a track that fits your vibe. I'm keeping this one music free, but feel free to explore. Let me hit play so you can see the final result.
Opened a little shop, filled with hope and determination, waiting each day for customers. Every morning he arranged his goods, believing that one day his hard work would pay off. But life began turning against him, sales dropped, and bills began to pile up. No matter how hard he tried, his savings vanished and struggles grew heavier. At home, financial stress led to arguments, making the atmosphere cold and tense. One day, his wife, unable to bear the pressure, quietly left the house.
With just a few clicks and minutes of your time, you can easily create polished, professional moral story videos. When you're ready to export, click Export, choose your video resolution and frame rate, even up to 4K and 60 FPS. And your video is done and ready to share. And that's a wrap. Try it out, create something amazing, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, keep creating and thanks for watching.